In a recent turn of events, a tweet from CH Mukungunugwa has sparked controversy regarding the sharing of Starlink benefits with the head of state. The tweet, which was trending on social media platform X, contained a picture of Chivayo Wicknow and Elon Musk together, implying a connection between the two and the approval of Starlink benefits by the head of state, President Mnangagwa. The tweet raised questions about the influence and affiliations involved in the sharing of Starlink benefits. Mukungunugwa's tweet suggested that the approval of the benefits was influenced by the political affiliations of those involved. The tweet stated, "So what if he's a ZANU-PF supporter? Did you expect a CCC or MDC businessman to go and convince our president? Where would they have met? Vanenge vasangana kopi." Shockingly, Wicknow Chivayo reposted the tweet, seemingly confirming that he shared the benefits of Starlink with President Mnangagwa and implying that his political affiliation played a role in securing the deal. This revelation has caused a stir, with many labeling it as a scandal. The implications of political influence on such a significant decision have raised concerns about transparency and fair business practices. In a normal country, this would be considered a significant scandal, further deepening the controversy. The specifics of the meeting location and the nature of the discussion remain unclear, leaving a room for speculation and debate. As the story continues to unfold, it is likely to draw attention from various quarters and may prompt investigations into the circumstances surrounding the approval of the Starlink benefits. The implications of this revelation have the potential to impact public perception of the involved parties and may lead to calls for greater transparency and accountability in government decisions and business dealings. As the situation develops, it will be important to closely monitor official statements and responses from the individuals and organizations involved to gain a clearer understanding of the events and their implications. Let's get to hear what you think about all this. Thank you for watching the Right Corner YouTube channel. Please subscribe.